Hello viewers, and appreciate you watching. Today George and myself are headed up to Rembert to winch out a bus that has slipped off of the red top dirt road and gotten stuck. From what I'm understanding, it's a substitute bus driver, and he's went down a road he wasn't supposed to. But George is loading up our skid steer with the winch on it, and I'm gonna go ahead out here in the work truck and see if I can, you know, get a heads up of what all we gonna need. Also got Mr. Wilbert standing by in the big wrecker in case it's close enough where he can get to it. But we'll be out here in just a minute. Hello viewers, and appreciate you watching. Today George and myself are headed up to Rembert to winch out a bus that has slipped off in the setback ditch. It's on one of those red top dirt roads, and when we get a little bit of rain they get real slick. But I understand it was a substitute bus driver, and he didn't know he couldn't go down the shortcut red dirt roads after a rain. But I don't think there's any students on the bus, and if there is students on the bus, we sure won't pull it out with them on there. We'll put them in a safe location and winch the bus out, and then put them back on, or whatever we need to do, whatever the bus shop tells us. But George is loading up the skid steer now. I know Mr. Glocks from me, he enjoys our videos with the skid steer. So I'd also like to give Tracy from the UK a shout out. I think they're getting over some cancer they had. One of our viewers asked me to give them a shout out. But, George will be right behind me. I'm gonna go ahead out here and look and see what we got. And I got Mr. Wilbert on standby in the big wrecker just in case we need it. But knowing these red dirt roads, when they get wet, wrecker will slide off just as easy as a bus or box truck or whatever. I'll be out here in just a minute, and hopefully we can get it done before the sun goes down. It's a good little ride out here, so we'll be right back with you in just a little bit. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay viewers, we're still en route to pull this bus out, but I was debating on whether to bring this up. But back on January the 26th, I lost my father. He'd been a little under the weather and just had some complications and wasn't able to recover from it. But just like everybody, to remember him and my family. My father, he never taught me anything about towing yet. He taught me everything, because he taught me how to work and how to work hard and know my job. And you know, being on the farm, raised on the farm, you know, you were always turning wrenches or working on something, pulling stuff out the bog. But you know, I really appreciate everything he taught me, and I'm sure miss him, but I know I'll get to see him again someday. But just remember him and my family in your prayers, and hope you enjoy this video. Aren't you good? Yes, sir.
He ain't trying to drive his truck down here.
I hope not.
When he gets stuff, we'll pull him out too.
Yeah.
You need the trailer?
Yeah, I need those and this and put the J hooks and the hooks on the back. Here, video with this camera. I ain't got it on yet. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get you going up that way. I might have to pull you a little bit. You good?
Record when I turn it on?
Yeah. Nothing to it.
That thing there ain't no joke right there.
I'm glad we didn't have to use the winch.
try to do the auction.
All right, I'm out of here, George. Okay, viewers, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, share. And if you like our content and channel, please subscribe. And as always, stay safe out there, and we'll catch you on the next one.